I hope that you guys can hear me well. My baby is taking a nap, and so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to quickly unbox my CLE shipment. I am so excited. You guys know how much I love Christian light education. If you haven't seen my videos in the past, check out the description to see all the flip throughs and reviews that I've done. But this is our new shipment for next year, and we've got some fun things that we've never tried before, and I'm super excited to try, and the kiddos are super excited to try. Half of these things were actually their idea of things that they wanted to do, so let's dig right in before this baby wakes up. All right, so in this box right here, we have got Reading 7. I'm so excited about this Reading 7. My son actually wanted to do it, and we are super excited to dive into a reading curriculum. I'll share more about this in our curriculum picks video, but this is the teacher's manual for Reading 7. Hey honey. So along with that teacher's manual goes the Road Less Traveled, and this is the reading series that goes with Reading 7. So that's in here. Somewhere in here is going to be the light units. So I also grabbed the addition and subtraction flashcards for my 4th grader and my 1st grader. I got the multiplication and divisions flashcards for my 7th grader. My pre-K daughter is going to be doing kindergarten 1, probably closer to January, but that's what she's going to be doing on the second half of the school year. And so this comes with 5 light units. I've actually done a detailed flip through of this curriculum, so I'll link that in the description as well. This is our second time doing that one, this kindergarten 1. We did it with my 1st grader, and we loved it. Now I picked up Reading 1 for my 1st grader, and this comes with 5 light units, as well as the teacher's guide and the reading series, I Wonder. It's my husband, he's in the kitchen. So once we're done with Math Confidence, we're gonna be transitioning over to CLE level 1 for my 1st grader, and it comes with 10 light units. So I just grabbed the light units. I already have the teacher's guide because I've done it with my 4th grader already. And CLE is kind of advanced, so my 4th grader is going to be doing level 3 of math. She just finished off level 2, so she's actually going to be starting level 3 right now, and all the way through next year. At some point through next year, probably in January, because we do math throughout the summer, she's going to be transitioning over to level 4. Now my 4th grader is also going to be doing Reading 4, and this is the teacher's manual. And Reading 4 comes with 5 light units as well. And I'm not sure if we are going to just take multiple days to do a lesson, or if we're gonna just finish it off in the first semester, or in the first semester. But I will let you know in the curriculum picks video, so make sure you're subscribed once I open it up and figure all that out. Now Reading 4 comes with Bridges Beyond. So that is the reading series that comes with that. And then we've got level 5 of math, which is going to be for my 7th grader. And so he should be finishing off level 5 in January and then transitioning over to level 6. And so this is also 10 light units. Hold on, the rest of them are down here. So it's also 10 light units, and it comes with 2 teacher's manuals. So 501 through 505 is in here, and 506 to 510 is in here. And the teacher's manuals are pretty much the answer key for the test. For the light units. They also at the bottom have like little like no teaching help in some of them, but not as much as like level 1. Level 1 is very teacher intensive, but as they get to like level 5, it's a lot less teacher intensive when it comes to math, and the math becomes a lot more independent. I would say around level 3 that it gets to be a lot more independent and a lot more of you just going through and grading. The other things that the teacher's manual has is extra tests and quizzes. So that's level 5. And then at the bottom in here, we've got the reading 7 that I was telling you about, and it is also 5 light units. And so just depending on how we split it up, we can split it up so that we only do reading maybe twice a week or 3 times a week, or we can do it 5 days a week and finish the first semester. So we really have to flip through it, see what our workload is looking like, and then make a decision from there. Like I said, I'll let you guys know in either the curriculum picks video or in the schedule video of how I'm scheduling everything out for the year. And then the very last thing that I have in here, which is something that we truly do utilize in our homeschool when it comes to Christian Light Education math, is the reference chart. So I have got the reference chart for grades 5 through 8 and the reference chart for grades 2 through 6, which I allow them to use it not on tests, but on their lessons and quizzes. They're allowed to use the reference chart. So I have those available for them, and they really truly utilize them. Now, if you'd like to check out more about Christian Light Education, like I said, I've got a ton of videos in the description, and I will link their website as well. And let me know if you guys want to see any flip throughs of any of these things, or if you have any specific questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hear my baby, and I will definitely be doing a review of the reading because this is our first time doing the reading. So I'll definitely be doing a review of that later on as we utilize it more. So keep a lookout for that. And like I said, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.